Tired of digging through Jira menus to find your burndown chart? In 60 seconds, I will show you the exact clicks to get it done. I have been there myself, clicking through reports, thinking, where is it hiding? Well, let me walk you through it so you can stop wasting time and start tracking your sprint progress instantly. First, open your Jira account and project. Then we will navigate to Reports and select the Sprint Burndown chart. That is the whole plan. Simple, right? Let us get into it. All right, start with the first step. Open your Jira account. Just go ahead and log in like you normally do. I am using a real project here, and you will see your own dashboard once you are in. Do not worry about finding anything special yet. We are just getting to the starting line. This part is straightforward. Now, open your Jira project from the left side panel. Look over to that left-hand side of the screen. You will see a list of your projects there. Click on the one you are working on. For me, it is a software project called IT. Yours might be a different name, but the steps are exactly the same. I have done this across dozens of projects, and it always works this way. Next, click on Reports at the top of the page. Once your project is open, take a look at the top navigation bar. You will see a tab that says Reports. Go ahead and click it. This is where Jira keeps all of its visual data on how your team is doing. Burndown charts, velocity charts, all of it lives here, so do not skip this step. Then click on More Reports to see all options. Now, here is where a lot of people get stuck. When you click Reports, it might show you a default chart right away, but do not stop there. Look for a button that says More Reports and click it. I have seen plenty of project managers miss this and think the burndown chart is not available. It is available. You just have to dig one click deeper. So click More Reports. Finally, click on Sprint Burndown Chart to generate it. A new window will pop up with a list of every report Jira offers. Scroll down or just look for Sprint Burndown Chart. Click on it. Boom! Just like that, your chart appears. It shows the work completed versus the work remaining over the course of your sprint. I love watching that line go down. It tells you instantly if you are on track or if you need to adjust. And here is the really important part. Once you have it open, you can select which sprint you want to look at from the drop-down menu at the top. So if you are in the middle of Sprint 4 but want to review Sprint 3, you can do that. It is all there. So there you have it. From digging through menus to pulling up your sprint burndown chart in just a few clicks. Now you can keep your team on track without the headache. Give it a try in your own project and let it save you that extra time. Thanks for watching.